Hello winners and welcome to this weekly Forex forecast for EURUSD, Pound USD, Pound Yen, Gold, USDCAD and USOIL. This week we're going to go through entries, targets, stop loss, support and resistance and any risks involved in these Forex pairs. Sounds amazing? It does to me. First of all, I just want to thank you guys for last week's video, for all the likes, all the views and all the comments. Without you, I would not have been doing this video, so thank you guys for commenting and sharing and liking. Please keep it up. And also in this video, please leave a comment below of what you have learned, because I read them, I comment, so thank you guys. And this week, yeah, trading Forex is risky still, not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Whatever has happened in the past doesn't need to happen in the future. Trading Forex is high risk, high reward. That means whatever money you can have invested today can be gone tomorrow, or like that. So risk little and have a proven track record before you go live with real money that you cannot afford to lose at all. Don't do that. Okay. Apart from that, this webinar does not contain investment advice. It's only for educational purposes. Now, Euro USD. Euro USD. Okay, good. Then we have, I would say, move down, move up. This is a retracement. Good. Not a new low. Interesting. But a new lower high in this downtrend here, and I don't normally do this, but I can do this for you. I guess somebody has already thought about it. Where is it? There you are. Okay, so somebody has already thought about that one, and it's broken above. Okay, good. I didn't know that. I'm just checking it. Okay, good. So for EURUSD, what are we now? I have turned from bear into bull now, because we didn't make a new low. We have had a 61.8 retracement, which indicates a new double bottom, and it doesn't even make a double bottom. Of the COT report, the big boys has gotten out of their sell positions. What does that mean? That means there's more buyers now. It was negative 140,000 contracts, 114,000, and now we are plus 70, so we are like plus 188 contracts. That means we are bullish, big boys. So I turned because of that, and also because of all these stimuluses that will actually have an impact on the market in the end. If it's now, if it's the next week, if it's the week after that, I don't know. I just know that it's important. So any movement down to 109 is totally acceptable, or even 108.18. Okay, and then I'm like, I want to take it up. Where do I want to take it up? You might say. I can say up to previous resistance or previous resistance. Okay, so that's 105.50 or 111.50. Just support, just resistance and resistance. And then for this month, this is really the sell point of this month. So if we get up to 112.50 next week or the week after, or specifically next week, this might hold. So that's risk. That's an area I would be very careful in. But right now we are turning bullish so far, and stop loss below this candle here. What is that? That is below 108.30. Okay, I have stop loss, I have entry, I have targets. What else do you need? Support, resistance, and support. If it breaks below 108.30, I'm no longer interested. Okay, that's how simple EURUSD is for me now. Well, I was bearish last week and I took profit around this area, and then I flipped it and I bought very like I think about 0.5%. So I'm slowly getting into this bullish trend, but I think if I hold it here and we go high again up to 114, that seems like a good entry. But if it now goes lower, well, we have stop losses for that as well. So for me, it's like stepping into it. Differently on pound USD is that we have resistance. Oops, where did you come from, eh? People said that they laugh when I look at the videos. Thank you guys for laughing. I don't know if you're laughing off me or by me, but that's that, okay? I'm thankful for every laughter I make you do. So here we have resistance. What are you, buyer or seller? Same with USD. What are you, buyer or seller? I'm strongly buying on USD. It can still fall, but that doesn't matter to me because that's what I will plan for. So for pound USD, any pullback down to 24, 23.90 would be looking to buy it up to at least 26, 27, 26.50, 27, or 2800 is definitely, if that's an area we come in early before 15, that's an area we're looking to then selling. Not me, but that's strong resistance. Okay, strong resistance. But we're definitely bullish. When did we become bullish? We became bullish when, actually now this week, when we didn't make a new low after low after low, when this moved here failed, okay? So here we have bullish, here we have the retracement, fine, but when it didn't follow through here, that's when it no longer was bearish. Very important for you to understand and know. Good. If you think of selling it, I believe you need way more than that. You need a new low below. I've been told to keep my charts simple and out of that. Okay, good. Then I'll take it that way. So for bulls, you want a new low, pull back, and then sell it. So you need something like, see that's a double top. You need then a new low, pull back to this here, add 124.50, and then you can take it down to 121.60. Okay. Other than that, I don't know what else. So stop loss, where is it? Stop loss should be 100 pips up. Where's 100 pips? 100 pips, 100 pips is 25.81. Okay, keep that in mind. But I still see this as bullish, and that's what I will look into, at least up to 126.50, 127-ish, that area. Or if you go up to 2028, this can also be longer term a buy because we are still not back up. But yeah, it can still fall next week. Yeah, it can. But now we're bullish because the trend is bullish and the stillnesses are kicking in. Okay, fear is gone. Okay, but the fast as what I also believe could happen. I have a couple of things in my head. It can also be that it goes down, goes up, and then it turns again. Okay, goes down. Come on, drawing tools. Goes down, goes up, and then it fades down and makes a new low. That's also very possible, okay? So it's not like we're looking for this reversal, but I'm just thinking it can actually happen because it happened last time, and it can actually be up for 2 months. This trend can be up for 2 months, okay? Before it falls again. Very important. I gave you all the targets. Resistance is definitely here. The next one is 128. Support, if you break up below here, you are kind of going back down to 119. Okay, I think that's good for you. Then we have pound yen. We are just going higher. We're just going higher, going higher. Target entry at around 134.50 up to 137. Okay, is there any resistance or support here? Well, I would definitely say that up here at 140 there's something. And there's also definitely something on 137. So if it breaks 137, we're going back up to 140. 140. Okay. And I also think that it's possible for this one to turn around as well. It will be in my mentorship group of when I believe that will happen. So if you are there, then that's that. That's good. And then if it turns around, makes a new low, makes a pullback, and makes low, 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 then the target is 132, 100, okay? Or below. Because once it opens up the markets below here, or you can even just do this week, then the pullback, then sell, most likely as well. Okay, so 132, 100 this week. And then also, when it comes to stop losses, I guess also 100 pips is what you can look into every time. It all depends where your entry is. As some of you have said, you need to give us stop losses. Well, you also need to know where your entries are. So if they give you 100 pips and say, okay, if you entered 134.90, then 133.90 is your stop loss. Okay, just deduct 100 from whatever you are. So I don't know where your entry are. That's all. I'm looking for this one to go higher before positions falling later on. But yeah, so as I was saying, down, up, 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 then down again, maybe, potentially. Gold has made a new high. We are thinking of if it goes down to 660, we're taking it up to 725, 725, 725, any higher, any good, any better, any better. Oh, good. Okay, that's what you're thinking, but that also makes a new high. Okay, but then you say this is resistance. If you're a seller, you want some kind of a double top, no low, low high, sell it back down to 1600. What's your stop loss? Your stop loss should be 100, 1000, whatever it is, units, something like that. And then if you buy down here, then you should at least have it down there. So that's true. Okay, that's a lot, but okay. So maybe as low as you can get it, I guess. Or if you take it down to 60.38, yeah, 100, 1000 is also okay. Okay, 100. So always keep A. What is plan A? Plan A is to buy here at this level at 1660. Plan B is to buy at 1640-ish and take it higher. For sellers, you need entry up here, A, and that's all. If it goes higher, I wouldn't. Okay, you can still look for double top, sorry, still. But if it doesn't continue lower, that's bad. Okay. USDCAD is turning lower and lower and lower and lower, which is good. Then you have a pullback up to 140.5. This is plan A and this is plan B. And that's your target. And stop loss could be 100. That's 141.5. Okay, that's fine, good, awesome. Where's your resistance? Where's your... That's definitely resistance. Support, I mean, sorry. That's definitely resistance. Hopefully, it's still hopefully here and up here. So if it does go above this level here of 141.5-ish, 141, then it's kind of gone up to 142, and that's really just where you should take stop loss and let it slide back down again before you do it again. Okay? Awesome. So now we are euro up, pound up, pound yen up, gold up, USD CAD down, and what else? US oil up. And this move down here is kind of not what we're waiting for, but I guess also up to 28, up higher, 134. I think if we get a deal, we're back up to 142. if the market reacts as it goes, as it you got a deal of 1 million. Sorry, I'm tired. 1 million you got, I guess, on Friday. But the market went down. I still believe that should make the move go higher. But I don't know the future as you do. And this turns actually bearish. It looks bearish technically at the moment, but it's not technical moves, these people. This is fundamentally so. Even though if it looks like this, it's still not technical. And even if it does this, it's still not technical. You can trade it technically, because that's how you understand it, but it still doesn't make it a better trade. So, given that it's made a new low here, I don't know, it's difficult, this one. So, I would say up fundamentally, and then the market can do what it wants next week. Okay? Then I would say if you're a seller, if you sold up here, good. And you can make it a new pullback up to 125, down to 119 or 120. No, 20, down to 20. And I think we have very good support here now at 20. And it kind of needs a collapse of a deal to go below 20. I think that. So I think this is going to hold above 20. That's my small view of the market. Okay, then people, I really thank you guys for joining in. I thank you guys for being here. Leave a comment below of what you had a takeaway. What is your direction? Tell me what your direction is. That could be interesting. Are you bull or bear on USD? Do you think oil is going up? Do you think oil is going down? Okay. Until next time, stay safe. Don't risk money you cannot afford to lose. Just risk 1% per trade. Don't lose more than 5% a month. Unless stop trading. And you should have a proven track record before you go live with your money. Okay, my name is MINDBLOWING, Forex trader and economist and helper. Stay safe.